We spend time even checking spellings, reading, the notes. We spend time on that. So you are right. Clap for yourself. So as for my students, if you are not careful, they will score 100% in that exam. My counterpart students, hey, the way they will suffer. Some of them will even not be able to spell window. They won't even be able to do some of those things. They will forget to even, all the parts. Do you know why? Just because the other teacher used a different method. I also used what? A different method. Now, my other question is this. If computer is put in front of my children, and then in front of my counterpart's children, computer is put in front of them. Prepare, the two of them are asked, prepare PowerPoint on something. My students and my counterpart students, who will be able to prepare PowerPoint? Yes? I want to hear you. Somebody say yours. My students. Oh, my students will pass the exams and be able to prepare PowerPoint from the textbook. My students will not even be able to open PowerPoint application until I ask him, I guide him. Oh, click here. But my counterpart students, the computer is placed in front of them. Hallelujah. They know what to do. They know what to do. They will do it for you. Please, do you understand? Yes. But both of us use 2 hours to teach that lesson. Yeah. One prepared them for written exams. And then the other prepared them for practical life. Do you get it? And the 2 of us use different pedagogical methods or methods of teaching because of the profile dimensions we want to achieve. My counterpart wants his children to create PowerPoint. I want my children to know PowerPoint. That's the difference. Do you get the difference now? Yes. So we have knowledge to creating. My counterpart was looking at creating, which is the highest profile dimension. And I was looking at just giving them knowledge of PowerPoint. And I also achieved mine. But at the end of the day, these 2 people in society, my children and my counterpart's children, who will be more productive? My counterpart's children will be what? More productive. If the 2 of them should be taking a job in the same office, my counterpart students will have to come and be showing my students how to do it. Meanwhile, they have A's in the what? In computing. So this is the critical nature of what we call profile dimension. So if as a nation, we decide that we are going to give ourselves knowledge, then we should not be expecting output at the workplace. Good.